Sleep is when we rest and recharge, and it's really important for our health. When we sleep, our bodies do lots of important things like helping us grow and keeping us healthy and also help in weight loss. If we don't get enough sleep, we might feel tired and have trouble focusing. So, how much sleep do we need? Well, it depends on how old we are. Kids who are 6 to 12 years old need around 9 to 12 hours of sleep. Teenagers need around 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And grown ups need around 7 to 8 hours of sleep. To make sure you are getting enough sleep, try to make a bedtime routine. This could be things like reading a book, or taking a walk, or taking a bath before bed. And don't forget to turn off screens like phones and TVs for at least an hour before bedtime so your body knows it's time to sleep. Getting enough sleep is really important for our bodies to be strong and healthy.